Hey, if you want to enable voice access on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click Start on your taskbar and then go into the settings. Now from here, you will have to navigate into the accessibility, and next you will have to go below and find interaction and open speech. Now from here, you will have to click on this icon to turn it on. And we can use two methods how to start using this voice recognition. So we can say voice access wake up, but unfortunately in my case, for some reason this function is not working properly, but still we can click with the left mouse button on the sleep mode. Right now we can start using this recognition. So let's say that I want to open the quick settings, open settings, open start menu, open start menu, search for the Google Chrome. And as you can see, that's how it works. Now I'm gonna turn it off. Also, we can start the voice access before we sign in into our PC, and we can start voice access after we sign into the PC. So there's like two different options, and that's basically it. If your PC is actually, if your native language is not supporting the speech, you will have to check for the time and the language, go into the language in the region, and from here you can go into the add a language and just be sure that your language is actually supporting the speech recognition. So you'll get actually this icon next to all of these other icons, and it actually means that your language is supporting for the speech recognition. For example, the Chinese is actually supported, the Danish, and for example the English, that's actually for sure. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.